Hi everyone and welcome back to another Meals of the Week video. We're starting the week with our usual roast dinner, and I actually made my own Yorkshire puddings this week, which was really nice. I do find them a little bit of a faff to make when you're trying to do the timings for everything else, but they were really tasty and they came out really well. And we just had our usual roast potatoes, broccoli and carrots, and we were having beef this week and just some gravy over the top. The next day was a HelloFresh meal, and it was cheeseburger topped fries. So I did some homemade chips in the air fryer, and you essentially make up a bit like a chilli and then put that on top of your chips with your toppings. And they provided stuff to make some caramelised onions and some tomatoes and some burger sauce. So we all had the onions. Yanis had burger sauce and I had tomatoes, and the boys just had some cheese. So it was really tasty. The mince was a little bit greasy, so I would probably use 5% lean mince next time. The next day we had Thai green curry. It was another HelloFresh meal. So I cooked some jasmine rice and just popped that in the bowls. And then the curry was essentially like a green Thai curry paste, some Thai seasoning, and the chicken, which you sort of fried up with some coconut milk, let it simmer, and then when it was nearly cooked, added in some spinach until thick, and it was really, really tasty. The next day we had a pork ragu. So it was a bit like a pork sort of mince bolognese with some peas in it. You fried up the pork mince with some garlic and some passata and some tomato puree and things like that, made like a bolognese, and then stirred in some fresh peas towards the end, and it was served with mashed potato, and then it had some Italian cheese sprinkled over the top, and we all really, really enjoyed this. It was so easy and quick to do, but really, really tasty, and the boys especially enjoyed it. The next day was a sweet and sticky chicken thigh noodle dish. Please excuse the state of my dishing up. It was really, really difficult to try and share the noodles out equally. They were very long and tangled up, so I made a bit of a mess. But it was really, really tasty. It was quite sweet because it had a lot of the ketchup mayonnaise in it, which is like the sweetened soy. But it was tasty. It had some mushrooms and some green beans in too. This next day I made some chicken curry topped naan pizzas. So I used some lime zest, curry paste and yogurt to marinate my chicken and just cooked that in the air fryer. And then I whipped up a tomato sauce just using some passata, some puree, a pinch of sugar and a little bit of curry paste, and then just topped that with some red peppers and some cheeses on the naan breads and baked them in the oven. And they were really tasty, and we just had them with a mixed salad. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video and it's given you some meal ideas for your family. If you have, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you really soon. Bye.